today's video, guys, I am going to quickly share with you guys how to trade volatility 75 index even when it is not tradable, guys. All right. When I said when it is not tradable, I mean when it is consolidating, just the way you are seeing it right now on my screen. So with that being said, guys, let's dive fully into this video. And if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, or if this is your first time of watching my video, let me officially introduce myself to you. My name is Olites from globalfx, and what I do is whenever I come across any working strategy, I make sure I record a video around it so that I will share it with you guys, my audience, my subscribers, and my viewers, so that you guys will make use of it and try as much as possible to use it to make money for yourselves. So that is exactly what I am doing here on this channel. And if you are new, just as I said earlier on, do where to smash that like button and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I share valuable content like this, you will be among the first that YouTube is going to pop a notification to that I have shared another powerful strategy or another powerful tools or tips that will help you make a lot of money from the market, especially when it comes to synthetic trading. All right. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, you know what to do, guys. Smash that subscribe button and let's dive fully into this video. Now, as you're looking at this particular pair or this chart right now, this is V75 index on 4 or daily time frame. Sorry, on 4-hour time frame. You can see that here. And if you look at this current state of this pair right now, you will see that this is not really tradable, but you can have your way if you actually knows how all these pairs moves. All right, so that is exactly what I'm about to share with you guys here today. I just want to share with you guys these quick tips on where and what you need to be doing whenever you come across your chart and you see your volatility 75 index chart like this or any other synthetic pairs like this. What you need to be doing for you to actually take a trade that day so that you will not waste the full day just like that. Now, let me first of all share with you guys this particular information that I want to share with you guys here. This is part of my mentorship program. But I just decided to give you guys tips on what you need to be doing because I've been receiving such questions, and that is why I am doing this particular video right now. So now, if you look at this particular chart, you will see that this particular chart that you're seeing, don't mind what all these things that you're seeing here. This is what I use to mark my chart when I'm trading or before I start trading. All right, I like doing analysis just as I normally share with you guys or tell you guys that before you start trading any pair, be sure to start your analysis from the higher time frame. That will give a lot of ways for you guys to understand the bias of that particular pair. Now that you have seen that this pair is not tradable on 4-hour time frame, so I'm going to 15-minute time frame here. Let me share with you guys one specific thing that you guys need to be doing. This video is just a quick video for you guys to just grab this. All right, so now look at this here. This is the same volatility 75 index that is not tradable on higher time frame, guys. I am not encouraging you guys to start trading ranging markets, guys. All right, I'm just giving you the tips on how to trade even any other page you have, or if you're a smart trader, you'll be able to make use of this information and trade other pairs profitably. Now, when you look at this here, guys, you will see that before let's just take for instance from this place here. I took a trade somewhere here 3 days ago, and I caught this move that you're seeing here. So what I want you guys to be doing is this. First thing first, you can see that this particular pair from this particular zone here, this is a structure. This structure here was broken. So if you go by right and you want to claim that this pair is buying right now, what about this side that it has been selling? And again, if you claim that this pair is buying right now, what about this particular high is supposed to take this out for you to understand that it's looking for buy positions? But let me just cut the whole thing down to you guys so that you will get it straight. Now, if you look at this here, anybody that marks this as a break of structure is very, very right, Because you can actually wait for price to come back to this zone here and you place a trade, which happened here. But what I want to share with you guys is this. This is what you need to be doing. All right. This is 15-minute time frame. So now that you have seen that this market plays structure to the upside and you look at this place, you probably might be looking for another break of structure to the upside for you to look for, a setup for you to buy again. But look at what happened here. You can see that the market came back to this place and break the structure lower. Right? The market came back to this side and break the structure lower. So do not forget that it break this structure at this particular zone earlier on and go higher. So you were expecting probably for this market to come back and give you a higher high here. Then you will look for a setup for you to open a position towards buy. But look at what the market did. All right. So now that this market has done this particular or have given you this particular setup, all you just need to do is for you to look at this. You see this fair value gap here, because most of you guys do not understand what fair value gap is. All right. So if you want to know more about all these things, all you just need to do is for you to enroll on my mentorship program. The form will be in the description box of this particular video that you're watching if you really want to learn how all these things works, because I believe I break everything down for everybody to understand it properly. All right. So you can pick the form in the description box of this particular video that you're watching right now. So what you just need to do is look at this gap here between this particular candlestick that you're seeing here and this particular big engulfing, bearish engulfing candle that you're seeing here, and look at this here. So this is a gap here. All right, this is a gap, and this gap was not by accident. All right, this gap formed because the market makers are looking for something here. Now, you that is anticipating on how to, take a setup of buy position. Now that you have seen this, you'll be thinking that, okay, probably it's trying to push down, then it will push up back and give you higher high for you to, buy. But you can as well scalp this market from this one. Look at this here. Once you spot this kind of a thing, you wait. This is a favorable gap. Let me mark it up. All right. Look at this here. Look at this. All right. That is a gap here. So what you should be doing is for you to wait for this market to come back to this place. So before you can wait for market to come back to this place, you have already seen that the last break of structure here was this particular one that broke the downside. So what you just need to do, I'm giving you a quick way of scalping volatility 75 index even when it is not tradable. Now you go to your 5-minute time frame. You have seen this break of structure on 15-minute time frame here. All right. So you go to 5-minute time frame. Once you get to your 5-minute time frame, look at what I want to show you now. This is where we marked earlier on, guys. Right? This is that break of structure here on 15-minute time frame, and this is that fair value gap that we marked. And look at this here, guys. When you look at this place, this is your other block here, right? That is your other block here. So what you just need to do is once you spot that type or that sort of bearish engulfing candle, and or let me say a fair value gap, all right, and you come to your 5-minute time frame, what you should be looking ahead of that your fair value gap is another block. Once you get to that another block, look at this here. You can see that probably no matter how long you have been waiting for this market to get back to this place, many people would have bought at this zone here when it gets to that fair value gap, and their stop would have been somewhere here, and they would have been taken out before this market started going in their direction. For you that extended on lower time frame, which is 5-minute time frame, and locate your order block here, this is where you're supposed to open your position. You can see this here. You open your position somewhere here. Sorry, you open your position somewhere here. There is some certain things that I'm not going to disclose here because some people paid for this information that I'm sharing with you guys here for free. All right. So all you just need to do for you to appreciate this information is for you to smash that like button and do where to share this video with others as well that are struggling on how to make money from this market. So now there are certain things that you need to look out for here, which is your candlestick pattern or your candlestick formation here. Once you spot that candlestick formation, you place your buy or your sell order, sorry, right? You place your sell order, then you target 1:2 or 1:3. What you should be aiming once you place that order is the lowest where this market reverses back to this box. That is where you should be aiming, which is here. All right. And if I should aim at this place, it means I am aiming at 1:3.18. All right. And you can see that the market smiles the TP and even go lower. It's as simple as that. It's just a brain, guys. It's just a brain. If you want me to mentor you on how to understand all these things, grab the form in the description box of this video and fill the form and get back to me that you want me to mentor you. And that is it. Your mentorship will start right away. All right. You are not going to regret enrolling on that network. There is no way I'll be able to tell you guys or share this information that I shared with you guys here. This is just an exclusive information that I'm sharing with you guys. So for you to appreciate this, just like I said earlier on, do well to smash that like button and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I share valuable content like this, you'll be able to get notified. And again, if you want to put this market again back to this box, do not forget it's just a quick way of scalping volatility 75 index when it is not tradable. This particular thing that you are doing here is within that range that we saw on higher time frame. Do not forget. So now that you have seen that this market has hit your TP here and you want to roll it back to the upside, you wait for the, there are many things that you need to wait for here, right, to confirm that this market is no longer going lower and lower, all right? Once you confirm that, look at another thing here that you need to spot, all right? Once you spot this thing here, look at this, look at another break of structure here, right? It's another break of structure. What are you going to do? You wait for the market to come back to this plus, this place here, which you can see here. All right. As soon as the market comes back to this place, that is when you are going to look at it, either this place or the fair value gap. Look at the fair value gap here. Right. Look at another fair value gap here. So you can as well use any of these things to enter the market back and pick your trades. It's as simple as that. You do 1:2 or 1:3, you're out of the trade. So that is exactly how it is. I don't want this video to be long. I just wanted to share these quick tips on how to scalp volatility 75 index when it is not tradable, guys. So if you love this content and want me to do another one like this, do where to write that in the comment section, and I will definitely go through the comment section to respond to all your questions and probably do another video that will detail more on how to go about trading volatility 75 index when it is not tradable. So with that being said, guys, we have come to the end of this particular video, and see you in the next one. Signing out, all leaders. Peace.